In this video, I'll show you how to set up a limit order on Coinbase. Start by signing into your Coinbase account. From the dashboard, click Advanced to open Coinbase Advanced Trade. Next, use the market selector to choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade. After that, select whether you want to place a buy or sell order. Now, under order type, choose limit order. Next, enter the limit price. This is the price at which you want your order to be executed. After that, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Now, if available, choose how long you want the order to remain active by selecting the appropriate time and force option. Next, review the estimated total, fees, and all of the order details to make sure everything is correct. After that, click Preview Order to review the trade one final time. Finally, click Place Buy Order or Place Sell Order to submit your limit order. Your order will remain open until the market reaches your specified price or until you cancel it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a limit order on Coinbase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.